Now there are various types of contracts that you can go for. Typically in England and Wales, it's a JCT style contract. These contracts that's Joint Construction Tribunal contracts.
So it's a standard template.
Standard template. So if you go to rics.org and then click on the contracts link, you'll get access to all these contracts. They're various types. So you can get, a pure build contract with quantities, with design elements. There are, I'll be honest, I used to know the exact number of the available contracts. I've no idea. I would imagine it's in the dozens of contracts for most jobs, the variations. Again, for these, you would be relying very much on for me, the guy that I rely on is my QS, in terms of, because he also performs contract administration. These contracts come as a pre-set up document, but then you have to amend them and make it specific to the contract. Again, for a contract that is where external funding is required, a JCT contract will work all day long. I also like partnering agreements, which are a different type of contract, not JCT, but under a similar type of deal where everybody's involved in the process. Again, it depends very much on the project.
Okay.
Project drives it really.
Right. Now, what is the biggest advantage of using the traditional route?
Biggest advantage to everybody is that you have spent the time, effort and money in uncovering everything. So when you arrive at a price, there should be very few surprises. You get to a point where you might start off a project, when you look at it, particularly if it's an existing building, then you might start off with, say, a 10 or a 15 or even a 15% contingency. But as you go through the process, you kind of de-risk the job because you're adding layer upon layer upon layer of known details at this point, and you should be getting down to sort of like a 2 or 3% contingency at the end of it,
by the time
which is just picking up bits and pieces. Like for example, today we were looking at a building. One of the things that we couldn't tell until we started lifting floors and getting the damp guy in was that there was some additional damp work that we hadn't been able to pick up. So our contingency in that project is 45 grand, and this is a 4.5 grand expense. So 10% of our contingency is gone as a result of finding that out. But once you kind of get to that point, you're really not expecting to see very much.
All right. Okay, there you are. So that's the very basics of the traditional route.